it. I know you like and that is hard. See you rolling in expensive cars, sitting at the bar, popping cigars like it.
I'm not ready to go tell no neighbor to become pajeno. So just real long.
Our generator kolele. Yomi, you're snoring. No, Jackie soon. Anyway, going to generator to pariwo.
For Pete's sakes, man. What under so much pressure lately and all that. It's only natural that I snore. And anyway, look what's talking about snoring. Eh? So you snore me?
I don't snore.
Right. You snore like a freaking subway train.
Why you lying? Me can't snore. My car mommy.
Well, look, because Johnny won't tolerate a lot of joy.
Yomi.
What?
I want to talk to you.
I want to sleep.
Yomi, mi ò ṣeré. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí? Ká tẹ́ gbà pé mi ò like pé kó máa fọwọ́ kàn mí. I don't really like that thing. Mi ò like ní orí. But kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nǹkan tá bá wá láti Chicago? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí marriage plans wa? O kò ta sí mi láti ọjọ́ yìí. Why?
Oh yeah, right. It's good that you know yourself. Yeah, I don't like this thing. I don't like that thing. Eh? Oh, I don't like that thing. John to alone. As far as the wedding plans are concerned, it has been postponed.
How dare you tell me that? Daniela said we'll postpone wedding. Oh, can you watch it to Chicago then? Don't you ever? Oh, to let's go postpone any wedding.
What's your problem?
Oh, you ever so bad.
Just a corner for one. Multi postpone it.
You dare not!
I have the prerogative. I
have Mommy. Mo ṣì ń bá wí pé ó ń horun. Next thing, your meaning last month of me pé wedding. Mo ti ṣe wo pé kí ló ti ṣe kí n ta sí mi. Mo kàn wọlé dé àwa sùn bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò bá sọ̀rọ̀ wedding wa. Kí ni mo wá ṣe láti Chicago then? What's the rubbish go postpone wedding? How dare you?
Mo postpone. In fact, like you postpone what you saw. Mo ti wa cancel it. Kò tiẹ̀ wá sí wedding kankan mọ́. Finish.
Mommy, you dare not tell me that rubbish you dare not.
Gbogbo elétí tó sí.
Mommy, me don't know.
Tap is there.
Raise your hands and slap.
Yeah. To bá tún sọjọ́ ẹnu ẹ lọ́nbẹ̀ Yomi, I'm going to repeat the slap.
If you try it.
Oh, woman, no me blue black.
That's right.
Then I'm going to call now. You dare not. I'm going to slap you again and you're going to see what's going to happen to you.
If you touch me again, I'll beat you. Postcard, you know, ever young me. I love this. That's really oh, this is nice. This is.
Ṣàlàáfíà mo bá yín.
Yeah.
Kejì. Ma. Ẹgbẹ́ ti dé. Bọ̀wọ́ bíbọ̀. So big.
I want to sorrow. That's all.
I'm fine.
She was well. Yeah, that's
Ekason auntie.
Wo, fọwọ́ ẹ lẹ̀. Lọ bomi wá fún wọn. Then go for a kitchen. What's that table?
No, mommy. I'm not sure. No, yeah. Actually, no. I can't relax now. You know.
Mommy, we need lots of working there, so it's so hot. Everywhere is hot.
Me no, Oruwa, pare.
What the?
What? Mommy.
I want to share money.
Gosh.
In this day and age.
Oh, you got it to know, Ishe. What she lost you a lenue. God. It's killing. But in Nigeria, she low to. My God.
Anyway, welcome to Nigeria.
Jack and fun.
Mommy, it's so hot.
Sorry.
My God, Baba, it's very cold. Generator, and everything.
Make care.
But this is terrible now. It's real long, You're homecoming late now. Oh dear.
Let's open David. You come to generator.
Okay, I don't want to say anything now.
Sure.
Take a shower. God.
Sweetheart. Honey. Sweetheart, why do she kúrò lórí bed to have sùn síbí now?
Yomi, ṣé tí ẹ dín ní? Ṣé o gbọ́ bí generator yẹn ṣe ń pariwo sí mi létí?
Sweetheart, tí ẹ máa watch bó ṣe máa bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ now. After all, I'm your husband to be.
Oh, no problem. I know you're my husband to be. Okay, as your wife to be, Joshua lè bá mi lọ sọ fún àwọn tó tọ generator yẹn pé kí wọ́n pa mo fẹ́ sùn.
Báwo ni ẹ ṣe fẹ́ possible now torí Ọlọ́run àwọn ni ẹlẹ́ni tó wà nínú ilé tí wọ́n má tún gbé ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ o.
Ìṣíkí ni mo gbédé. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni pé mo complain pé nǹkan disturb mi ni.
Okay. Mabi, ṣùgbọ́n I'm so sorry, darling.
Leave me alone. Lọ sọ fún wọn pé kó padà. Kí ni ti sú mi, man? I can't stand it.
I'm more Lara very sorry.
Oṣù onímọ̀ mi lára. This is rubbish. Rubbish lele. Báwo ló ṣe máa constitute nuisance? This is public nuisance.
Yeah. You know what?
I can't stand it. Wọ́n kò ṣe sí.
T. What's wrong? My one kò ṣe sí but kò lè jalè ṣùgbọ́n let's just go back to bed.
I'm not sleeping. Tí ọba tí wọ́n kò ṣe sí máa jókòó sórí couch.
Okay. Why don't you let me go see you? Tí I'm not calling for you. Let me sing you to sleep now.
Because I'm a baby, right?
Of course you're a baby. You're my baby.
Leave me alone. I'm tired of all this.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Fine. Since over soon, tell me no very soon. Jẹ́ ká lọ sórí bed àti ká tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa wedding wa tá n plan about.
Anything to bá fẹ́ sọ nípa wedding sọ bá ṣe bó ti jókòó, you're more comfortable. Tó bá dé comfortable. Possibly by kó jókòó ká sọ̀rọ̀ ní ọlọ́sẹ̀ níbẹ̀. Bí ṣe máa lajú tí bí tílẹ̀ bá mọ́ wọn máa pa generator. Màá sùn. Tí mi ò bá sùn nísìn, orí màmá fọ́ mi. Wàá dẹ́ ní láti gbé mi padà lọ sí Chicago. Because me more reason to generator mama do kill by. I can't stand it. It's terrible, awful, irritating, disgusting, terrifying, annoying.